Hey guys, welcome back. I want to declutter my closet. Start. I put everything like in a suitcase, so we're gonna go through all the items one by one. I really want to descale a lot of my items and just bring it down to a minimal so that I can make room for more, because I have so many clothes that I no longer wear and that I don't really necessarily need. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Super excited. Have my tea here. I certainly don't have a lot of clothes. What I have a lot of is loungewear, like clothes for staying home, and I don't think I need that much anyway. Like, it's so pointless having like 9 billion like leggings or like 1500 shirts. Okay, that's obviously not realistic, but that's what it feels like, and I'm really trying to cut it like down, kapisa. But yeah. Alright, so I have the suitcase here and I'm just gonna slowly talk about a few of the items, what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. So straight off the bat, I'm keeping all of like my newer items or things that I have never worn. For example, like my chunky sweaters, I'm keeping that. My boohoo dress, I am keeping this. This is a blouse from LC Waikiki, which I really like. I haven't worn it as much as I would have liked to, if that makes sense. So bright. If I just bring you guys closer. Okay, yeah, it's just like a long pinstriped shirt, and it's a very long, it's like goes like almost up to my knees. I just need to find a way to style this, but I am keeping this. All my longer shirts I'm keeping. I'm not sending anything away. This is a grey sweater. I don't have any grey sweaters, but it's not a chunky sweater. It's more of like a mock neck, but I really like it. I already know this thing's gonna make me sneeze. I have like sinuses, so all the lint and like the little dust, it's gonna make me sneeze. I'm gonna keep this. This is my, what else? My denim skirt. I'm keeping it. Should I keep? I have to abaya to this. It's a scarf to abaya, but I never wear this scarf. You get me? Like, it's very small and it moves around a lot, so I never wear it. I don't even know why I still have it. I think that's gonna go. My satin dress from Forever 21, I believe. I'm keeping that. I'm already tired. I have this yellow turtleneck. I should keep this, right? But I never wear it as much as I would like to, and it's not long. You get me? It's so hard for me to tuck things into this, but we'll see. I love this shirt. Never getting rid of it. I got this from Malaysia from like a couple years ago. It's like 5 years ago, I think, by now. This is like a more dressier outfit. It's like my tulle skirt, the layered one that I got from Gikomba. If you guys didn't know, I did a haul like from Gikomba. I'm gonna link it somewhere here so you guys can go check it out. I'm gonna keep this because I haven't worn it yet, and it's good for like events and parties and weddings and stuff. So I'm gonna keep that. What else? My other grey skirt that I haven't gotten that much wear out of as well. I'm gonna keep this as well. These are like more of my fancy skirts. I'm gonna keep that for like more special occasions, if that makes sense. And then what other skirts do I have? This one as well is more of my fancy skirts. It's like the satiny pleated skirt that I got from Gikomba as well. I have this dress that I never wear. I've never worn, actually. My sister gave it to me. It's like a maxi dress, but it's very wide. I need to go make this like a bodycon so I can enjoy it more. Where are the other dresses and skirts? I need to go fix this dress. It's from Gikomba. It's like the velvet dress. I need just to go fix the sides. I didn't mention this in the Gikomba thrift haul, by the way, because I couldn't find it. I think it was being washed or something. I couldn't find it, but it's like a velvet maxi dress, which I really like. Very unique. I just need to go make it smaller here so that it can look super cute, and probably reduce this and make it shorter because it's quite long. It's quite big, but I really like the grey. I don't even know why I picked grey and had a satin dress. Clearly you can tell I have specific style. I have my like vacation dresses. This is a off-shoulder dress, actually. It's super cute. It's just like a black off-shoulder dress. Detail, this is what it looks like. This is more of like my holiday outfits. I don't wear them as much. Absolutely love this top. I don't know if I've ever featured this top on here, but it's a top with like poofy sleeves. Obsessed with the sleeves, and then the middle just like has ropes that you can cinch the waist in, and then it looks super cute, and it's quite long as well.
Alright, so this is the aftermath of everything that I decluttered from my closet. It's like a whole big bag of crap, basically. That's just like dirty laundry, like all the dirty clothes. I'm not taking them to like the laundry basket. Oh crap, that's the bad word. All the clothes. This is like all the clothes I was able to give away. So there's like a lot of loungewear in here, like vests I'd never wear. There's a Marvin in here I wore like once. It wasn't even mine, it was my brother's. There's my Mata Hatran shirt that I wore. Oh, that's not it. But somewhere in here I have this pants. They're like cigarette pants. I've worn them a couple of times. Quite tiny on me now. They're like super tight, but they're very lovely color. I wish I had a scarf this color, but yeah, it's just a bunch of stuff. I did say like majority of the things I wanted to declutter were loungewear, so majority are loungewear, like this garbasar, like the scarf that I usually wear in the house. This one is color has left in some places. It's like limbah. I don't know how to say that in English. It's just like a weird disgusting green now, and it doesn't look good or anything, so I'm giving that away. Someone will put it to use more than I will. I'm gonna flip this camera, but I'm not wearing anything on my head, so we're just gonna keep it like this. Morning guys, I'm getting ready to leave the house. So I've done my brows already, but I haven't done like my skincare. I've been getting like a bit of texture on my forehead. I'm trying out. I did previously use salicylic acid in my skincare and it helped a lot. Then I stopped using, but I'm back on my bullshit, so I'm using the ordinary one. I'll let you guys know how it works out for me, but other than that, I'm just gonna be my face and I'll see you guys when I'm done, like when I'm dressed. So I'm finally ready. This is my makeup of the day. It's very simple. My OTD, I'm just wearing like a dress, my floral dress and a pink scarf. It's just, I'm just running errands, so I'm not doing that much, so there's no point of going all out. Although I feel like this gloss is too much, I'm gonna take it off and just put on lip balm. So morning, I chatted with you guys a bit when I said I had some errands to run, but I had did like a supermarket run, got some like water, oats. My little baby is right there, and then like to the butcher and whatnot. It's so hot today. I hope you guys can hear me. Like, I hope the sound is okay. Anyway, yeah, I want to go get a croissant from Java. I haven't had those in a while, and I love how buttery they are. So that's what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna go home, have some breakfast and all that stuff, and then leave again. Crazy, I didn't have breakfast because there was no oats actually. I was supposed to have oats for breakfast, and then there weren't, so I needed to go buy, and then I just needed to go do other stuff. Today is such a good brow day for me. It's so feathery and very natural looking. I barely have any makeup on, by the way. I want to talk about a bit about Joanna Kinuthia. She did an Instagram post, okay, and she mentioned, what's the reason why you click out of a YouTube video? And so many people had opinions. Some of them were relevant and they were good, like constructive criticism. I feel like I took some points as well, but the more people came and commented, the more hateful it got. Some of the criticism was very mean to some of the YouTubers. You get me? Like, I didn't experience hate or anything, alhamdulillah, but a lot of people did. And I feel like people need to understand between constructive criticism and just being straight out hateful and mean and just putting the person down. I don't know if you guys know, but taking time to plan for content and editing and planning and all that stuff takes a lot from a person. Even like putting yourself out there for the world to judge them, for everyone to judge them. So the least you can do is be kind to them and just be fair to them. Obviously, if you don't like something, just tell them like, yo, I think you should do this. Your sound quality isn't good. Have you tried maybe getting a mic or something? I don't know. Just be kinder when you're giving your constructive criticism, because the other person also has feelings, you know what I mean? It's just that just because they put themselves out there doesn't mean they're like automatically have like thick skin. Nothing affects them or anything. Everything affects them to some point, so just be kind, you know what I mean? Just some of the comments were even unrealistic, to be honest. There's one I saw about like the girlfriend diaries, how they feel like in a clique, or like you went to an event to them and blah blah blah. Something I realized personally is just because you know someone online doesn't mean they are your friend automatically, you know what I mean? You're not entitled to their friendship, if that makes sense. Like, yes, you follow them, they inspire you, they influence you in any way, shape or form, but you are not entitled to being friends with them. I don't know, a lot of people came off entitled in that comment section, and it really bothered me. You're entitled to their friendship, or you're entitled to the way they, you know, the type of content they put out. At the end of the day, it's like their channel, you know what I mean? It's my channel. Obviously, I need to consider what you guys want to see, but for me, this is like a diary in some sort of way, and I also want to put out content that I like, you know, things that I want to do, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know, some of the comments in there were very tricky, but yeah, I think you guys should just go check out and read those comments and be kind. That's all I'm actually preaching. Just be kind, be thoughtful, like just compassion, and know, you know, what the other person would go through. Put yourself in their shoes, you know what I mean? Like, if I say this, how will these words affect them? And someone who's saying those same words to me, how would they affect me? That's it. That's all I have for now. Let's get going. Currently testing out a new lens, by the way. I just bought this. I think I'll have this later in the evening. I got some peppers. So actually just see this. I've been obsessed with this tea lately. The mint is so strong in this, and I actually really like it. But yeah, that's what I'm having. some tea, probably like a banana, I don't know, but yeah, some tea and a croissant. Clear this mess up. I don't know if I'll vlog the rest of the day, but I'll see you guys probably later in the evening. I'm so sleepy already. Let me tell you, I've been sleeping like last night. I slept at like 3 a.m. and I was up by 5. What? But I need to fix my sleeping schedule. Today's the day I'm fixing it because I start school soon. So guys, it's like 7 p.m. I just woke up from the longest nap ever and I want to take like a pamper routine shower right now because I'm very exhausted. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna do some treatment. I did get like new Shea Moisture like deep conditioners that I really want to try and see how they work out for me. Since I have like bleached hair and whatnot, I'm gonna try the anti-breakage strengthening mask. This is the yucca and plantain one, and then after that I'm gonna do the strengthen and restore Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. I'm not planning on dyeing my hair anymore this year. I'm just growing it out, giving it a break. So I hope these products help. I'll let you know what else I decide to do to my hair. I'm gonna do a face mask. I'm gonna go get some food. I'm gonna clean my face. I have a little bit of makeup on my face, like I had concealer. Yeah, so as I was saying, I'm just gonna get rid of the makeup on my face. I ran out of my micellar water by Maybelline. I need to restock on that, but I'm just gonna finish off. I was saving up this Bioderma one because it's not found here. No Maybelline, like the Garnier one. Last night I slept for like an hour. Okay, I went to bed at like 4 and then I had to wake up at like 6 and I've been up since then. Can you imagine? And then I just took a nap now, woke up, and I'm feeling so tired and just bad. You know that feeling when you sleep for too long? Hey guys, I know I look insane, right? Don't mind me. I'm just wearing a activated charcoal sheet mask on my face. It's so hot. I feel like I need a sheet mask. You know, the sheet masks are like cooling. And then I want to talk about the mask that I used yesterday. Like I said, I'm trying to like nurture my hair back to health. Bought like a bunch of the Shea Moisture like hair masks. Let me show you guys. I got like a couple. I got the anti-package one, I got the strengthen and restore, I got the intensive hydration one, I have the 10-in-1 renewal, and then the deep treatment one. I did try the anti-breakage strengthening and the leave-in. I'll basically let you guys know. I'm sorry if this keeps happening, it's because this part is like dry already, but yeah, I'll let you guys know how well it works for my hair and everything. I really also don't like the texture of sheet masks. First it feels nice, then afterwards it feels like disgusting and like it feels weird. Anyway, that's me checking in and keeping you guys up to date. But yeah, the mask is off my face. Very plump, very nice. I'm gonna do some skincare now. I'm not gonna wash the serum off, obviously. I'm just gonna add over it salicylic acid. I don't know if you guys watched my acne like journey story when I talked about when my skin was breaking out like hell. One of the products that really helped my skin was salicylic acid. It really transformed my skin because the type of acne I had was like comedonal, and it just worked well with the texture and just getting rid of those tiny little bumps. So I stopped using it when I used to use the one by Paula's Choice, so I stopped using it when I had it, and then I started getting texture here recently, and I thought maybe I need to get back to my salicylic chain, and then I got the ordinary 2% solution for blemished prone skin. Also, a little goes a long way. You just need literally like a whole pump for your whole face and just spread it evenly. My skincare routine as of now. Then at night I'd go in with the azelaic acid. At night I'd go in with like the azelaic acid. I also talked about that, and I use that like specific places that I need the texture to be gone, because it's good for like textural irregularities and dullness and uneven tone.